Okay, everyone, fire alarms are not to be tampered with in a public building and in somebody else's house. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home. If you are caught tampering with fire alarms outside of your own house, you will get into very serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police, and especially if it's done in a public building. Because in a public building, these are very serious life safety devices, and these also save buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you do not play with fire alarm equipment in a public building for any reason. Got it? I hope you do. Goodbye.